Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how IndexError list index out of range. An IndexError list index out of range occurs when you try to access an index of a list that does not exist. This error usually occurs when you try to access an element of a list using an index that is either too large or too small. For example, consider the following code. When you try to run this type of example code, you will get this kind of error. In this code, my_list has 3 elements, with indices 0, 1, and 2. However, we are trying to access the element at index 3, which does not exist. This will result in an IndexError, list index out of range. To fix this error, you need to make sure that the index you are using to access the list is within the bounds of the list. You can use the len function to get the length of the list and ensure that your index is less than the length of the list. For example, now let's run this example code. Here is the output. In this code, we check the length of my_list using the len function before trying to access the element at index 3. If the length of the list is greater than 3, we can safely access the element at index 3. If not, we print a message indicating that the index is out of range.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.